Hello to everyone, you're looking for Chrome fan for bus or for truck or for lorry. 8 inches or 20 centimeters, 24 volts, not for standard car. Yes, it have 2 speeds. It have plastic clamp. Looks like this. It's a huge ventilator. Rear side you can see 24 volts. This big clip. Some instruction how to use. Here some instruction. On off. On off you can see here button on here. On cigarette lighting plug. It's very fun. It's great. You can buy this item at foderprint.lv and help. I will leave below link to this item. Thank you very much for watching and hope you enjoy this video. By the way, item number by Lampa is 73107. New series. Thank you and goodbye. Have a nice day.